talk about is sickle cell. Sickle cell is a problem that afflicts, it's a genetic condition that is predominantly in the black African community. That's where it stems from. So wherever you find people of that genetic origin, you will tend to find sickle cell or sickle cell anemia in one of its many forms. It's interesting that the regions surrounding Africa, as you get population drift from Africa into Arabia, into southern Europe, into North America, you're beginning to see sickle cell actually cross over into what you would describe as the indigenous populations of those regions. So if you take Bahrain, for example, an Arab population, sickle cell is very, very common in that population group, as it is in Saudi Arabia. So sickle cell and trehalose, I think, are uniquely related. I think there's a fascinating link between trehalose and its effect on the ability of human blood cells to carry the correct amount of oxygen. The problem with sickle cell is that there is a malformed protein within the hemoglobin molecule which prevents the hemoglobin carrying the correct amount of oxygen. It is not beyond the realms of possibility that trehalose is allowing the body to stabilise the proteins as they're being made, which includes hemoglobin, and that stabilised protein is then able to function much more normally. It's way too early to say that it's a cure, it's a treatment. It's not. It's just food. Actually, there is every reason to believe that the body might be able to mitigate the symptoms by allowing it to stabilise this malformed protein. That would account for one of the reasons why we've seen hemoglobin levels rise by 8, 10, 12% over the course of a year or 18 months. Not exclusively by using trehalose, but it's an intriguing possibility. And as trehalose can be so readily incorporated into the diet, it's probably worth a shot. And we'd be very interested to hear what you find out. The overriding thing with trehalose is that it's safe. It's interchangeable with sucrose. You can cook with it, although you might need to use 30, 40, 50% more to get the same level of sweetness. It's just an amazing insight. So trehalose is a plant sugar. It's naturally occurring. It occurs in nature, only in small quantities, but incorporated into the diet, it may well be one of the breakthroughs of this century.